Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox the Timex deep water analog die watch and share our first impressions. So let's check it out. I wanted to buy this watch for a very long time, but I waited for the price to drop. One day I saw a good price online, so I purchased it immediately. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out if you are interested. So let's open this box now. This is the Timex Deepwater Meridian 200 model. This is the watch. We have a small user guide inside. So these are the two things. This is like their black or gunmetal color model. They also have other models with blue and black dials. Case diameter is around 44 mm and this is made of stainless steel. It comes with this yellow synthetic rubber band. This is commonly used on die watches, just like we saw on the Casio Duro watch. We will share that link in the description. I saw the specifications online. They mentioned the strap width is 20 mm. I wish it was 22 mm. I have so many straps for that size. But anyway, it looks decent. They also have quick release spring bars here. Let me remove all the covers and tags quickly. We have this protective layer, this one. We have this tag. So here we go. This comes with sapphire crystal glass with anti-reflective coating, which is really appreciated. I'm not a big fan of the magnified date window, but it is there and it is helpful. We also have Super Luminova Lume. We will test this at the end to see how bright it is. This watch is powered by a quartz moment as well. And this is our first impressions video. We will share our full thoughts in a few weeks. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. We also planning to publish more watch related content. I'm sure it will be helpful. This is a pretty good dive watch. Even if you don't dive, this is a watch you can wear every day. We have the unidirectional bezel with the number markings. I love this solid click sound so much. We also have a screw down crown which is helpful. Water resistance up to 200 meters or 660 feet. As soon as I saw the background wave design, it reminded me of the Omega Seamaster series, but it looks good on this as well. And this is how the watch looks on my wrist. I generally love big watches. I love the feel of a mini clock on my hand. My wrist size is around 7 inch and this is how the watch looks on my hand. I can manage the weight. It gives a premium feel overall. I'm a bit scared if this gunmetal coating will get scratched over a period of time, but again, that is where the beauty lies. It gives a personal touch to the watch. I'm going to use my flashlight to charge this lume. I'll show you how it looks in the dark. I'll do this for a few seconds. Now I'm going to turn off all the light. 1 second. And this is how it looks. It is really bright. I think this is called Super Luminova. It looks really good. This is our unboxing and first impressions video of Timex Deepwater Analog Die Watch black color model. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.